everybody, Dwayne Rains here at International Systems Europe, or better known as ISE 2024, and we're showing off our favorite pet, which is LeCambio.
Hey, LeCambio, come over here. Yeah, buddy. Great to see you again. LeCambio is the combination of KeyDigital's compass control system, TOA's LeCambio, and any third-party PTZ Visca RS232 controllable camera. And that's new, giving you more options for installing this system with auto preset calling based on the beam steering status coming from LeCambio.
And you can see LeCambio, come over here, boy. Come here. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. You can see how smoothly our LeCambio system works. And we thank our partners at TOA for working with us on this. You got the LeCambio sound bars Jonathan talked about with 8 tracking microphones. It's just an amazing thing. And now it can work with all kinds of other peripherals, as Jonathan mentioned.
There we go. So for more information on LeCambio, KeyDigital.com, you're going to go to our solutions, where you'll see this specialized solution there, full with a assortment of design options and a how-to guide, step-by-step, from purchasing to programming and installation, all available at KeyDigital.com.
Hey, LeCambio, one more thing. Come here, boy.